A water park can be packed with families, charge high ticket prices, and still lose money because of one dark cloud. That is the strange reality of this business. An owner may spend millions on slides, pools, restaurants, pumps, and safety systems. Opening day arrives, the parking lot fills, tickets start selling. Then thunder appears. The rides close, customers ask for refunds, and the owner discovers that the biggest competitor is not another water park. It is the weather. So, what does it really cost to own a water park? How does it make money? And why can one rainy summer destroy an otherwise successful business? First, a water park does not really sell water. Most of the water is filtered, treated, and reused. What the park sells is access to an experience families cannot easily create at home. Your garden pool may be fun, but it probably does not have a wave machine, a six-story slide, or a lifeguard telling your uncle to stop running. There are two main models. Outdoor parks open during the warmest months and try to earn most of their yearly income in one short season. Indoor parks can operate all year, usually as part of a hotel, but heating, ventilation, and construction cost much more. Both follow the same plan. Bring families inside, keep them there for hours, and earn more than the ticket price. Admission is the first source of revenue. A park can sell day tickets, season passes, family packages, school trips, birthdays, and corporate events. Season passes are useful because the business receives money before the season begins. But tickets are only the beginning. Imagine a family arrives with a perfect budget. Tickets are purchased, sandwiches are packed. Everyone promises not to buy anything unnecessary. 2 hours later, the sandwiches are warm, one towel is missing, and someone nearly drops a phone into the wave pool. The family rents a locker, buys lunch, orders drinks, and purchases a waterproof phone case. By the end of the day, the father is staring at the receipt like it is evidence from a crime scene. That extra spending matters. The park can earn from food, parking, lockers, cabanas, fast passes, photographs, souvenirs, arcades, and events. Cabanas can be especially profitable. The park builds them once and rents them repeatedly. Customers pay for shade, privacy, and the feeling that they have become water park royalty. Indoor resorts take this even further. The water park gives families a reason to book a hotel room. The resort then earns from accommodation, meals, arcade credits, and extra activities. Instead of selling a 6-hour visit, it sells an entire family trip. That reveals the real product. Time. The longer customers stay, the more chances the business has to earn from them. But before any money comes in, the owner must build the park. The project may require land, parking, pools, slides, pumps, filtration systems, changing rooms, restaurants, drainage, medical areas, and ticketing technology. A small park may cost several $1 million. A mid-sized regional park can cost tens of millions. A large resort with hotels and indoor attractions can exceed $50 million or even $100 million. The final amount depends on land, labor, location, and attraction size. But buying the biggest slide is not always the smartest move. Every ride has a limited hourly capacity. A huge slide may look amazing in advertisements, but if it loads slowly, customers can wait for an hour. Long queues reduce satisfaction, and people standing in line are not buying food or spending money elsewhere. A good park needs exciting rides and high-capacity areas such as wave pools, lazy rivers, and children's zones. The lazy river is especially clever. Customers think they are relaxing. The owner sees hundreds of visitors being entertained at the same time. Location is also critical. Cheap land is useless if the park is too far from customers. Most regional parks depend on families living within driving distance. The owner needs good roads, a large nearby population, suitable weather, and enough tourists. Building a $30 million park in a town with 12 families may make you popular. It will not make the bank manager happy. Once construction is finished, Operating costs begin. Pumps move water constantly. Filtration systems keep it clean. Chemicals keep pools safe. Slides need inspections. Indoor parks must heat the water and control humidity. Moving all that water also consumes serious electricity. A wave pool does not create waves because the water feels energetic. Large machines are working behind the scenes. Labor is another major expense. The park needs lifeguards, ride attendants, cleaners, technicians, cooks, security officers, nurses, cashiers, and managers. Lifeguards need proper training. Watching 3 episodes of Baywatch does not qualify. A serious accident can injure a customer, close an attraction, raise insurance costs, and damage the brand. Then comes the biggest risk: seasonality. An outdoor park may have only 3 or 4 strong months to earn enough money for the entire year. A busy Saturday in July can be extremely valuable. A rainy Saturday cannot be moved into October. That income is simply lost. But the loan payment still exists. Insurance is still due. Employees still need salaries. Only the customers disappear. Consider a simple example. Imagine a park receives 200,000 visitors during one season. At $40 per ticket, admission produces $8 million. If each visitor spends another $20 on food, parking, lockers, and extras, total revenue becomes $12 million. Now subtract wages, utilities, chemicals, maintenance, insurance, marketing, taxes, and loan payments. The owner may be left with $1 or $2 million. But if bad weather reduces attendance by 15%, revenue could fall by nearly $2 million, while many expenses remain unchanged. A profitable year can quickly become a break-even season. Indoor parks avoid much of this weather risk, but they face higher operating costs. Competition creates another problem. Families may enjoy the same slides once or twice. After that, they want something new. The park must add attractions, renovate old areas, and create special events. A new slide may increase attendance, but it can cost millions and lose popularity within a few years. Marketing is equally important. The owner needs social media videos, online advertising, school partnerships, and seasonal promotions. A beautiful park nobody knows about is simply an expensive collection of wet concrete. So, can owning a water park be profitable? Yes. A well-located park can earn money from tickets, food, parking, lockers, cabanas, events, and hotel rooms. Season passes improve cash flow. Indoor resorts can operate throughout the year. A strong brand can attract visitors from outside the local area, but the risks are serious. Construction is expensive. Staffing costs are high. Safety cannot be ignored. Customers expect new attractions, and outdoor parks depend on weather nobody can control. The most successful owner understands that the business does not only sell water slides, it sells excitement, convenience, and a full day of family entertainment. The slides bring people through the gate. Profit comes from keeping them inside, keeping them comfortable, and giving them reasons to spend. That is the economics of owning a water park. Customers arrive hoping to get soaked. The owner spends the season hoping the business stays above water. And just like a water park needs the right attractions to keep people coming back, a YouTube channel needs strong topics, better hooks, and smart retention strategies. Subscribe for more practical YouTube growth tips and content ideas designed to turn casual viewers into a loyal audience.